Welcome on into another video. I know it's been quite a little bit of time since I uploaded the last one. I want to be more frequent, but I've really been hunkering down and updating every little video on my entire Amazon Seller Pro course. And it's just some of the OCD that I had that made me go in and watch every single one of my course videos. And I took any parts that weren't absolutely critical out of the course completely and just refined the entire course. Now, I am uploading a ton more Seller Pro updates, which I already have down here and you can see, but I wanted to give you a little taste and sample of what my course is offering and share with you this monthly profit tracker that you can use and download. So I'm gonna have a link that you can download right below this video. I really hope you like it. And if you haven't already started Amazon FBA and you're on the fence looking for a program to get with, I highly recommend you check even below this profit tracker link and you'll see my Seller Pro course where you can kind of watch the whole gist about what I'm talking about here and how I'm gonna be helping you guys out. I don't think there's that many people out there as real as me really trying to help you guys succeed. I feel the more I help you get successful, it's only gonna help build my personal brand, which is a win-win scenario. We have student success here, but one video I really want you to watch is with Brian Pate, one of my recent Amazon success stories, and he literally knocked 17K out of the park in his first 30 days right there on Amazon just after finishing my course. And it was really that simple. So I really want you to take a moment and think hard and see if investing a little bit of money into getting a mentorship to helping you succeed on Amazon is gonna be something in the cards for you. We see all these 9-to-5 jobs getting shut down. It's really not worth it to let the mainstream dictate what fate you're gonna have with your own life. So I recommend you take it in your own hands and start creating your own way that you can make money online. I've been doing this for 3.5 years and wake up every day to about 150 to 200 and even more money that I've earned just from Amazon FBA alone. I share all this stuff on my Instagram stories practically every day as well, which I'll have linked below. I want you guys to jump in and join this community. We have the student Facebook group where I'm uploading this video right now. So I'm actually just gonna post that. And we have a bunch of people in here posting their success, asking questions, and just building a community. So get off the sidelines, hop into this, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I made an awesome video where you can track the profits of your product right within this spreadsheet. And right below this video, you're gonna see where you can download a copy of this spreadsheet and you can actually duplicate it for every time you start a new product. You'll be able to just click on that link, make a copy, and start it for a new product. But this is how cool it is, guys. You're able to come in and let's, for instance, use a product name here called the garlic press. And then we're gonna say how many units you sold in a day. So you can come in and say, we sold 3 units today at $22.99. And now the unit cost section is where you're gonna need to talk to your suppliers and figure out how much it's gonna cost per unit to get this product into Amazon. And when it comes to unit cost, I like to also include the shipping cost as well. So how I calculate everything is I take the total price my supplier's charging me, including credit card fees and every other type of fee encountered in this transaction, and I'm gonna divide it by how many units I'm buying. So let's say my supplier is charging me $700, and that's gonna include the shipping into Amazon, the logo on my product, and even the credit card fees. The total transaction for 100 units, let's say, is gonna be $700. Now I'm gonna divide that 700 by 100 units, and I'm gonna come out to a total unit cost of exactly $7 per unit. Now the FBA fees, there's an easy way to calculate these, and I'm gonna touch on this later in the course, but there's gonna be a free Chrome extension you can download which will pull up a little fee calculator right down here, and you can type in your product cost. So we can say $7, and then it's actually gonna show you the Amazon fees right here, $6.76 for this product. And if you're selling at $23, you're making $9.24 profit. Now we can plug that number in right in here, but I wanna show you another quick way on how we can calculate your Amazon fees right here within Seller Central. So I scrolled a little bit halfway down the page on my regular Seller Central homepage, and you can come right down to where it says payments right here under reports. You're gonna go ahead and click that button, and then it's gonna take you to a page that looks just like this. This is showing the statement view, but we're actually gonna wanna go click on transaction view. Now, once we click on the transaction view, it's gonna look like a page like this, and I have zoomed in a little bit, but you can see it shows you the exact Amazon fees per unit coming out of each product. And my products are hidden over here to the left side of this page, but it will show you exactly the number Amazon's taking out here. And that's gonna be the most accurate number that you're gonna be able to throw in right here for your FBA fees. Now, my product's not the garlic press, so to make this kind of accurate, I'm just gonna use the fees that we're pulling from this at $6.76. So I can say $6.76. And now this can even incorporate your PPC cost. Now, I don't come in here every day and put in $2 spent on this day, $3, $4, $5. Instead, I'm actually looking at the end of my month. So right inside of your advertising reports, and we'll jump into this later in the course, don't worry about it. I'm just showing you how to keep track of your exact profits because it's super important. But you're able to come down to this little chart right here where it says date range, and then you can choose this month or last month. Usually I wait till just about the end of the month and I'll see what my total PPC spend was right there. And then I'm gonna put that PPC cost way in down here at like $136. And this will have the whole graph already filled out by that time. And then this is just gonna subtract from my total profit at the end of the day. So then the next day you're able to come and press this little square right here, and then you can drag it right down and it's gonna add your product name. And in the beginning, I'd probably just drag the product name all the way down to the bottom so it populates that entire section for me. And then let's say February 2nd here, I'm gonna come in and say we sold 5 units that day. The selling price is also gonna be the same. If you change it, you can always add your changes right in there. And then your unit cost isn't gonna change much either. So we'll come down and just drop the unit cost right there. This is again something I could probably pull way down to the bottom. I'll pull my sell price down to the bottom. And then the fees are also gonna be staying exactly the same. So I'll just pull that all the way down. Now your fees will change if you increase your price a little bit. So just keep an eye out for that right inside of your payments here. But other than that, you're simply able to come in and add in how many units you sold each day right here, and then it's gonna populate right here. It's gonna calculate your total cost for the day. It's gonna calculate your entire revenue for that one product for that day, and then it's gonna show you your profit right here, and that's gonna add up to the total profit right down here. And it's super great because there's already 12 months filled out for you guys right down here. So you can go to March, start the same thing right on over again. And what's even cooler is at the end of this chart, you're gonna see the annual summary, which is gonna encompass all the stats and sales for every single month of the year. And we can see we filled in some information for February right here. And even if I come back into March and say units sold, I'll just say 3, and then I can come back to the annual summary and it threw in 3 right there. So every month is gonna automatically populate right here when you fill in the data for it. And you even have a breakdown based on your daily average unit sold, your weekly average unit sold, and monthly average unit sold. And this is all gonna look a lot better when you start filling it in throughout every single day. All these numbers are gonna be populated there for you just fine. So I wanted to make this quick video. Just check right down below and you'll see the link where you can copy this exact spreadsheet. And now when you start a new product, just click on that same spreadsheet and you're able to then have a blank spreadsheet where you can put in your new product name. So then you have one chart for your garlic press, one chart for your camping hammock, one chart for your inflatable lounger, and you'll be able to check out all the data on those individual products right from within your own spreadsheet. So I hope this helps you keep track of your profit, and stay tuned for the next video.